so this may or may not be my 7th take of an intro because all of my takes before this have had my stuffed animals in the background. Like, they're cute and all, but it kind of ruins the aesthetic of the video, so I'm just going to redo it like another time because the 7th time is the charm, am I right? Literally never heard that in my life, but we can pretend like I have. So yes, hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be going into a couple really easy ways to wrap your gifts that are more unique than whatever you can find at the grocery store, or did I just say grocery store? I'm sorry, like Target or the Dollar Tree or literally anywhere else that you would find wrapping paper. If you're new here, welcome, hello, my name is Caitlin and I do a lot of DIY videos, so if that's something that you're interested in, definitely go make sure to hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get wrapping. Alright, so I'm just gonna call this a Tootsie Roll because that's kind of what it looks like. It's really good for odd shaped things. So this is, I'm doing like a hat. You just want to take some cardstock and basically turn it into a giant toilet paper roll, then stick your item into that and then put tissue paper over it. So here I'm just rolling on some blue tissue paper. As you can see, it did not fit all the way and I kind of wanted it to have excess on both ends, so I shifted one to the left and one to the right, and then I'm just gonna put a really pretty piece of tissue paper over all of that in the center, so you can't really see like the weird little thing that's going on in the center, but you know, it's totally fine. So once I had that taped down, I took some string and then just tied the ends on both of the sides, and yeah, it's really cute, so I highly recommend trying this one. If you're looking for a really fun DIY thing to do, I would definitely try watercoloring your own sort of wrapping paper. So here I'm just doing like circles. I'm sorry, I don't know why I spun the brush around like that. That's not what you're supposed to do to your brushes, but I just like painted on some circles and then some stars. You can really do whatever pattern you want, just make sure you kind of repeat it through the whole thing. And then you can go ahead and just wrap your package like normal, and it looks really cute and really personalized. Okay, this one is great if you like a lot of color. So I took a bunch of sheets of origami paper and basically cut out oval shapes. I did around like 5 to 6, I think, of these in different colors, and then I took some double-sided tape. You could also use glue, that would work fine, and just stuck them around sort of like in a squiggly-ish pattern so they kind of look like lights. And then once I had that, I went in with a pen and basically just drew on the string that goes across the little things that attach the lights to the string. So yeah, it's super easy. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully you have an amazing holiday season, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!